I got a secret I would like to show you first, so just be patient. We'll be there in a couple more minutes.
Don't see much here.
Well, here it is, Tim.
This is it?
Here it is. You don't see it?
I see land and a lot.
Look close.
Why did we drive all the way up here for this?
Look real close.
I'm looking, man. I don't think anything's gonna change.
Do me a favor, close your eyes just for a second.
Really?
Really.
All right.
Now open them.
Holy cow. That is impressive. How did you do that?
Let me tell you what we're looking at right now. We're looking at a 5-bedroom, custom home, over 4,000 square feet. Multiple decks for entertaining, sunset views, even a walk-in wine cellar. We got a 3-car garage here. And then you got landscaped corner lot, over 9,000 square foot.
I mean, I can't imagine a sunset and friends and family. Oh boy. I'm ready to go get this thing sold. Let's do it.
Let's do it.